In today's episode of Counting Without Counting Part 3, we will learn the method to find the total number of triangles in the following miscellaneous type of arrangements. So let's begin. Here is the type 1. We have a square given and some lines inside the square. You just start writing 1, 2, 3 and 4. Double this and this will give you the required number of triangles. Let's check once again in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just double this gives you the total number of triangles. So I'm sure now you all are clear that in this diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 smaller triangles. You just multiply it by 2 and that will give us the total number of triangles. Isn't it so easy? Consider type 2. Here we observe that our base is divided into 3 parts. So this is first part, this is the second part and this is the third part. First part, second part and third part. Just add these numbers, you will get the total number of triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in this figure. You just add these numbers and you will get the total number of triangles. Consider type 3, the very simple form. Just count the number of horizontal lines. Since there are 2 horizontal lines only, so total number of triangles would be simply 2. And in this case, we have total 3 horizontal lines, 1, 2 and 3. So total number of triangles is 3, and in this case 1, 2, 3 and 4 horizontal lines. So the total number of triangles is 4. Consider the type 4, the mixture of type 2 and 3. So we have vertical as well as some horizontal lines. Here the method goes like this. On the base, write total number of divisions. So we have 1 and 2 here. Similarly 1 and 2 over here. The base will fetch 3 triangles and the above case will also fetch 3 triangles. So total number of triangles would be 6. Now in next case 1, 2, 3. Similarly we write 1, 2, 3 over here and 1, 2, 3 over here. So simply 1 plus 2 plus 3, and we can easily note that this is being added 3 times. So multiply it by 3, which will give you the required answer. So which is equal to 18. So there will be total 18 triangles of all possible sizes. In fact, we can say a general rule here that the number of triangles would be sum of numbers on the base. Likewise here 1, 2, 3, 4. So sum of all the numbers written on the base and this value multiplied with the number of total horizontal lines. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 horizontal lines in this case. So this will give the total number of triangles here as 40. Consider type 4 extended. Now the lines, the horizontal lines which are given are not extended to full. but the method will still remains the same and very easy also. 1 2 3, write 1 2 over here and write 1 over here. So total number of triangles would be nothing but the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 from this horizontal line. From the next line it is 1 plus 2, and then finally from the top it is equal to 1. So total number of triangles 6 plus 3 plus 1 amounts to 10. You can count the number of triangles, and in this diagram quickly we can check it out. It's 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 1 2. So total number of triangles would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then 1 plus 2. The total answer would be 10 plus 6 plus 3, 19. Consider type 5. We still are counting the number of triangles. So obviously in this first figure there is only one triangle. Now in second figure we have 1 2 3 4, smaller one and the main one, bigger one. So total number of triangles would be 4 plus one bigger one, that is equal to 5. In fact, if we consider say this figure, there is a simple rule to understand and to get the total number of triangles. Check out that each inner triangle whose vertices are lying on some outer triangle, it will always give rise to 4 such triangles. So just check it out. This is one such inner triangle and this is another such inner triangle. So each of them will give rise to 4 and 4 triangles, and the one biggest triangle, the answer would be 9. So I am sure now you have the answer for this figure. So innermost 1, innermost 2, innermost 3, each will give us 4 triangles and plus 1 the outer one. So total number of triangles would be 13 in this case. Now let's consider finally some of the mixed forms, whatever forms we have learned so far, the mixed form. So in this first figure we can easily observe one of the possibilities from the triangular shape above, which will give rise to 1 plus 2 triangles, and the bottom we have a square wherein we can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you just double this number, but along with that please do note that there is the occurrence of 2 more triangles like this, the first one, and this, the second one. So plus 2 triangles which are not we found using the formula but direct visualization. So total number of triangles in this case would be 21. What about this case? Now it's again the mixture of 2 different things. This is your 4, the smaller one will give 4 plus 1, and then in this case this triangle is already counted, so we left with 1 2 3 4 5 6 another triangles, which will total amount to 11 triangles. Now here is a task for you. Question 1. How many triangles are there in the following arrangement? Please do give your responses in the comment box. Question 2. How many triangles are there in the following arrangement? Question 3. Count the total number of triangles in this arrangement. And the last one, more logical. How many triangles in the following arrangement? So I'll waiting for your responses in the comment box. I'll come with some another interesting mathematical idea in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.